Hi, buddy. Good. Doing a coffee clip from Bugforge today. Challenge. As always, we can register for names. 123 J address J. Now let's try creating an account today. The hint they said to check. We did this one is random, but for today we have the profile and point. Let's first of all see if we edit profile. Let's say change, for example, change the image, change whatever. And if you save, let's see what exactly we have in here. So it do request, put request, edit and resend. So the question now, what exactly we can add, because we can try mass assignment, because if you go to the storage and the point, interesting, we have things here. For example, tell you role user, you have 0.0, so we have all these field usernames. So these two, either the role and the points. So we have these two. Can we inject them in the profile? So for example, I can say a role, for example, admin, and see what the application will catch. And then we can see points, and then let's say if I want to put myself 1,000,000 points. So because from the storage we only have two variables, the points and the role. So which one we can use from these things? So we have admin, we have points. So if I send this one and the response is said message update successfully, and of course we got our flag for today because we've been able to change to confirm that one. Let's see if I go refresh this page. Do I get my points? Yes, and we got 10,000 million points. And flag doesn't show here, show in the response when you do it. So yeah, so this one is basically you check mass assignment. Whenever this JSON like that, you think about mass assignment, and the fields I said you can just know your fields are there, the points and the role. I think that's not too much you can talk about these things. Is mass assignment. That's all. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.